Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome back. This week has been a big week. You can probably pick in my voice that I've been struck by the lurgy. So it's one of those challenges that we get by pulling some big hours. As it turns out, ladies and gents, tonight, Thursday, 14th of October, was actually quite a good little trading night. I know there's a number of people around the world that had some significant data issues. So if you were one of those people that had data issues, don't worry. I'm sure the data will come back and we'll be off and cracking for another night tomorrow night. In fact, tomorrow night, ladies and gents, being Friday night, I'm actually trading live in front of an audience. That's actually quite good fun. It can be daunting. It can be daunting at the same time. It can also be quite hilarious when the trades do what they did tonight. Take you through it quickly, and I'm not going to save my voice. 6 p.m. left-hand side, 6 p.m. Sydney time. Right-hand side is 8 p.m. It's my favourite time. Favourite time to trade. First 2 hours of the European cash market. Got a really nice little 4x4 to start off the session. Guys, confirmed at 5 past 6, and we just cracked it straight to 4%. In fact, there goes an alarm telling me that the sellers are coming to the market around the board, which they are. They're coming in on the US market. Anyway, enough of that. Got a second 4x4, guys. Second 4x4, I had to squash at break even using the 3-candle rule. Now, as it turns out, it did turn around and go and pay, but I got another entry anyway for a third 4x4 just here. So +4, break even, +4 was the run for the night. Now, over here, ladies and gents, over in here, I've got another 4x4 trade. Really, really nice structure. Funny thing is, on the second candle, yeah, I get the naughty corner for this. On the second candle, I basically determined for some reason that, again, we'd formed a double bottom. Now, interesting point is I always trade the 3-candle rule. Like, I always trade it. And as it turns out, must have got nervous on this one. I'm not sure, but I actually jettisoned my contracts at +2%. And as it turns out, it ran straight through my profit target anyway. So that might be, guys, that might be because I'm not well. Not sure, but yeah, lacked the discipline big time tonight and got out of that one early. We shouldn't have done that. That was just dumb. Anyway, that's what you get, guys, for trading under the weather. So key point, if you are under the weather, a little bit tired or a little bit annoyed at your partner or your spouse or something, or you're just not in the zone to trade, don't push your limits. Take the night off. Good idea, but as it turns out, 4 + 4 + 4, 12, and a couple here, so call it 13. Go 13 or 14. Key point I do want to raise, ladies and gents, why I wasn't hunting for a long off this big retracement down to the bottom of the screen. My stair step was broken, SSB, stair step broken. Here it was also broken across here just at the end of the session. So basically, if stair stepping's broken in a direction, I don't trade in that direction anymore. It's one of the foundations of my checklist of 9 points by which I trade. Ladies and gents, that's me. Time to go to bed. Voice is struggling, and tomorrow night I do have to trade in front of an audience, as I said. Have a great night, ladies and gents, and I'll sign off. Any questions, please call the office, and I look very, very forward to the live trading session tomorrow night, where I get to profile this live in the market. It's quite exciting. Have a great night, ladies and gents, and bye for now.